Hey guys, it's Camo here, and today I decided to release this video early since I wasn't sure what to do. Now, instead of having our subscriber goal set at 50 subs, I decided to lower it to 40. So let's make this happen by sharing this video to your friends and maybe telling them to subscribe. Hey guys, it's Camo here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a simple, quick, and easy spring grenade. Now tell me, are you tired of your distraction devices not being very efficient? Or maybe you're just tired of the postal service like me. Well, wait no longer, because today I'll be showing you how to make this bad boy. All you have to do is pull the pin and throw it. Now, I know many people in the comments are going to complain that they couldn't see it go off whenever I threw it. So I'm going to do it like this. And there you have it. A grenade that is powered entirely out of a spring and an Easter egg. Let's start. Let's take 3. There you have it, a spring grenade made entirely out of a simple device. Let's get started. Project is a paperclip bent into a pin, a spring, a pencil, a wooden washer, BBs, and finally your shell. Fortunately, you can do this with bigger eggshells, but I don't have the time to buy some of those, so we'll work with what we got. Now what you're going to want to do is take your wooden washer. Now I know that wooden washers don't exist because I just made mine, so this is going to take some time to make. Next, take your pencil and put the wooden washer through it where it gets caught at the eraser. Next, take your spring and put it through the pencil. And finally, your egg. Now what you're going to want to do with your egg is drill a hole at the top big enough for the pencil to go through. This way it can go in and out easily. Next, take the top of your shell and your contraption and put it through the shell. Pull it up. Mark the area where the pin is supposed to go through. Fortunately, I drilled holes in my pencil to put the pin in. This will stop the mechanism from firing. Finally, take the top of your shell and put it towards your bottom of the shell. Now you have your grenade. Now to keep this from firing off as soon as you pull the pin, I suggest that you make this take 3. And now make sure that take 4. Now to make sure that this doesn't go off as soon as you pull the pin, I would suggest that you make that one side of the pin slick, so whenever you pull it out, take 5. Now, to make sure this doesn't fire off in your hand while you're pulling the pin, I suggest you make one of the sides slick. So whenever you're about to throw it, you grab onto the pin and throw it out. This will make it less likely to go off in your hand.